Hey Remo, I saw your question in the chat and I wanted to go over a potential setup that I'm looking at on MDA BTC. It does look really interesting because the weekly looks very bullish. My first thesis when I saw this was, we have increasing buyers. We have a uptrending here on the weekly, followed by a breakout to the upside, and now we're looking to buy pullbacks. And the confluence I see here is in the form of these highs. So ideally, this level, this zone would hold, because if we take a look on the 4 hour, this is where we can confirm our ideas. You have a very strong move right actually through the box, but the daily closes above is able to reclaim the level very quickly. And again, we want to see the same thing from here, is increasing buyers, have the next move be up, which if you put your stop like a little bit below this zone where buyers should be stepping in, you do have a 2-to-1 risk to reward in there. But if I was playing this, I would be keeping tabs on the volatility of this, just in terms of Bitcoin, because in my opinion, we're seeing a lot of indecision here on this pair, from the indecision of Bitcoin, and the moves on Bitcoin are amplifying the moves in each direction. And so the fact that we've been in a 2% range on Bitcoin is really keeping the next direction of this thing very uncertain. But anyways, in terms of risk to reward, it's kind of hard to say where your stop would be, because I guess you'd want it at the bottom of this demand zone. And so hopefully we could form a higher low from here. That's what ideally I'd like to see, something like that. And you could play it like that. However, personally, if I was playing it, I would want to buy I'd want it to confirm this idea that this support is going to hold first, and then the confirmation for that would be this move, followed by that pullback. I'd buy on this pullback, the next touch of this trend line, or potentially in this zone, and then anticipate that breakout to the upside, which would be a very big breakout, considering we've been under this resistance for such a long time. This thing could definitely run if you let it. So that's what I'm looking at on MDA BTC. Take with that what you will, and thank you.